rise and shine. Today is my first day of college. I don't really like to set alarms anymore just because my body naturally wakes up at like 6 or 7 a.m. So I'm guessing it's probably maybe 7-ish. It's 6:52 right now. So pretty close. I gotta take out my retainers. So my first class today starts at 12. I've got a lot of time to do stuff, and I'm just gonna keep doing what my regular morning routine has been because I do live alone and I have the flexibility to make my own routine. So I cannot wait. I've got 3 classes today: data analysis, business communications. Let's get rolling. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever been this excited about school. I'm just like genuinely so excited for this fresh start. I don't know, I'm just really grateful that I get the opportunity to learn. If you guys are looking for a comfy pajama set, get this one from Skims. I swear by this thing. It is literally the softest, most comfy thing ever. First thing I need to do is unarm my house because I arm it every night, obviously. So I'm gonna go out, unarm it, and then we are gonna make a matcha and some breakfast.
Your home is now disarmed.
For my matcha, I've got my glasses up on this shelf. This will kind of also be a little tutorial on how I make it because I definitely think it's worth sharing. I take 2 of these glasses. I'm gonna go grab my other glass over there. I'll show you why. 1 glass, I have my water cup, and I drink 3 of these a day, filled up all the way to the top, on top of my hydro flask whenever I go out of the house or go to class or whatnot. Water is a huge thing, but ever since I've been doing this, I've noticed such a difference in my skin and my mood and attitude. Basically, drink water while you're at school. I'm using some oat milk. This is my favorite brand because there's no extra added gums in it, which a lot of alternative milks have now. So I'm just gonna use the rest of this actually. This is my favorite matcha that I swear by. This is the Jade Leaf Organic Japanese Matcha. And all you need is 1 teaspoon of this. Whisk it really well together, or to make it easier, froth it. This is my favorite frother from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's so good. The thing that I'm most excited for this year is to make new friends and just kind of settle into a routine. It's a very strange feeling because this isn't high school, and I feel like in all my other routines, I think I filmed every first morning of my high school. I'm pretty sure I did. If I can remember, I think I was like so upset. I was like, oh no, it's the first day of high school, all this stuff. But I'm so excited for college. I think another part of my excitement has to do with the fact that my first class isn't until 12, so it's a pretty good day. Now that that's froth, the last thing to do is add your creamer. My favorite creamer is this brand. This is the Oat Milk Natural Bliss creamer, but it's brown sugar flavor, which is why I love it. Oh my gosh, yesterday I went to the grocery store and I got this peppermint mocha. I'm literally so excited. A little bit in there. Glass straw, mix it. That is amazing. Never fails. For breakfast, we're having a yogurt bowl, Caroline Manning style, so buckle up. You're gonna wanna save this recipe. Favorite yogurt, just because my stomach has issues. Coconut milk yogurt, unsweetened vanilla. I do like 4 spoonfuls of this. Next, you're gonna wanna put some granola in. Then some chocolate chips. Then some strawberries. I'm gonna cut up a peach. And that is how I make my breakfast. I swear I have this breakfast every morning. It's got some healthy, it's got some sweet, but this is the best yogurt bowl of your life. So good. I've met a lot of people at different events and stuff. I don't have a lot of friends just because I came to this state and I don't know anybody else that is here. A lot of my friends all went to either the same college or just somewhere else. It has been kind of a scary thing to put yourself out there.
Hi vlog, first day of school. You're messing, don't you?
Look guys, look how cute my
Yeah.
is. Oh my gosh, I miss him so much.
I want to wish you an amazing first day of college. I know you'll do great, and I'll be thinking about you, and know that you will have an amazing year. I miss you and love you so much.
Aww. All right, let's get a time check. Currently, it's 8:38 in the morning, and I just put on this workout set from Set Active. Literally so cute. Also, they sent over some matching socks, but I'm gonna get in a quick workout on my fitness bike, which I have been doing every day since I got back. I've gotten back into the routine of going on my lit bike from Freebie and then doing my floor exercises after. So let's get a workout in. I don't know which one I want to do. I'm gonna do this class.
Freebie, 15 minutes.
Guess I still got jokes. Might take her home and it's strange, cause I think that I like getting over you. We used to race the freeways. I close my eyes sometimes. I used to watch the sunset reflecting through your eyes. I know your parents like me. I never said goodbye. You went to all my shows and you were the first in line. Kiss with a stranger might heal all my wounds. Yeah.
Okay, I just rinsed off really quickly because I was so sweaty. I didn't end up washing my hair because I washed it last night. So I hope it doesn't look greasy today. I'm gonna do my makeup right now, and I'm not really sure if I want to curl my hair, do like some mermaid waves, or just leave it straight. But we'll figure it out. To start off, I'm going to moisturize my face. My skin is so weird, I swear. Sometimes it's super oily, and then sometimes it gets really dry. And I've gone through a million different moisturizers, but the one that seems to do the best is this particular one from Caudalie. Today, I'm going to do my pretty much everyday makeup routine. I think I've gotten in the groove of finding all of the products that just work for my skin type overall. I'll just briefly do a makeup tutorial. For long-time watchers, y'all are probably pretty familiar with it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Glossier Tinted Moisturizer. This girl is beat up, look at this, but it is my favorite and it's the best out there. So I started watching this Netflix show called Never Have I Ever. It is literally so funny and good, and I wasn't expecting to like it because I'd seen it when it first came out, and I didn't click on it because I was like, I don't know, this doesn't look like something I would like. I'm pretty sure it first came out in 2020, and then they just released season 3 like a week or two ago. So I started it and I'm already on season 3 right now. Like, it is just so good and kind of like a little bit of a comfort show. I think that's why I like it. Now that that is blended, I'm gonna go in with some concealer. So I have been loving this concealer by Kosas. The Shape Tape was my holy grail. Like, I've only used that one. Whenever I was invited to go to Stagecoach, one of the makeup artists used this concealer on me, and I just always remember her saying that if I were to ever get this, that I should get shade 6.8. Then when I went to Sephora to go back to school shopping for makeup, this is what I got, and I saw this. Next, I go in with my 2 powders. So my first one is to kind of set my whole face, and that is the Glossier Wowder Powder, if I can get this out. This stuff is amazing. It just sets everything. I think once I'm done with this, if I have time before school, I kind of want to watch all of my first day of school videos, which I will link it down below, like all of them in order from the time that I've started YouTube, because it is so funny, all of the different hair colors, all of the different phases of my life. And the second powder that I use is the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. This is just so famous, as it should. This just sets my under eyes so that my concealer doesn't crease and my face doesn't look all oily. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows while that sits. Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. Best powder in the game. I've literally hit pan on this, so this just should tell you that this is amazing. Okay. Contouring with bronzer. I have yet to find a new bronzer, so this is just my baby. For blush, I'm using my holy grail. This is the Rare Beauty Blush Enjoy. Personally, I think if you have tan skin, definitely use this shade. So all you do is just blend it out with your fingers, and you don't need that much. Like, if you saw, I literally barely put anything on on my finger. One trick and tip is whenever you are blending out any sort of makeup, whether it be concealer, tinted moisturizer, or blush like this, you always want to blend outwards or upwards. Next, I'm going to set my face before I apply any highlighter. And this is the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And it smells amazing. Like, you'll literally smell so fancy. So many of y'all have DM'd me saying that when I first talked about this highlighter, y'all got it and you've never switched since. And I'm telling you, this is the best highlighter out there in the game. Now for eyes, I'm going to do my lashes. I curl my lashes first, and then I'm gonna go in with my Babe Lash Enriching Mascara. I swear this is like a primer, so I just do a light coat of that. Like, they just make them look really nice and a little bit fluffy. I like to go in with the Thrive Cosmetics mascara on top of it, and this is what really seals the deal. It just makes your lashes look extra long. And my tip is to blink while you're doing your upward strokes. That way it gets all the pieces of the lash. Okay, and that is my mascara routine. Crap, my camera's about to die. Ah! Okay, let me go charge it. So I just curled my hair and put on an outfit. I'm wearing Princess Polly jeans, a Princess Polly shirt, and you guessed it, Princess Polly shoes, but those are upstairs. So I just curled my hair. I'm letting it kind of sit right now, but I'm gonna hairspray it and then brush it out. Yay! Okay, perfect. I'm debating on whether or not I want to do something else with my hair. Like, I feel like I want to do a half a puff down sort of deal. Okay, this is what I ended up doing with my hair. So I did like a half a puff down and then I looped it through. Now all I need to do is put on my jewelry. As you can tell, I changed my necklace. I put on my diamond cross necklace. I know this looks weird that all my jewelry is in bags, but it's only because my glass jewelry box is still in Texas. So I'm gonna put on a bunch of different rings today. Because I miss my boyfriend, I'm wearing my charm bracelet from him. So let me get that out. Oh my gosh, I literally think it's hilarious that I had all the time in the world this morning and now I'm like trying to hurry and get all my stuff packed up. Okay, so this is my backpack. It's from Lululemon. It looks like this. I'm gonna go grab my shoes and put those on. And I cannot forget, oh shoot. I cannot forget to blow out my candle as well. Oh my gosh, why are sneakers so hard to put on? If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I hope that y'all all had an amazing first day of school. Sending all my love. Take care. Bye. Ciao.